What is the median of the list of numbers below? We've got 4, 7, 11, 13, 5, 9, 4, 4, and 8. Let's go. Now, if you missed this problem, you probably missed one of three aspects of it. First is the definition of median. Let's talk about that. The median represents the middle value of a data set when they're in order. We'll get to that in a second. But when I think median, I think middle, much in the same way that when I'm driving on the right side of the road. Then there's this divider in the middle of the road that prevents me from running into the oncoming traffic. That thing in the middle is called the median. Well, just like that, in data, the median is the middle value. Now, I did say when they're in order. So thing two you might have messed up is you might not have remembered to put these in order. This list right now, it's not in order. And if I found the middle of this list, that doesn't tell me anything interesting because these are all random. If I reorganize the list a different random way, I'd get a different median. So what would that be telling me? Not really anything useful. But when they're in order, the median tells me the middle value of my data set, which is important. That might be useful. Okay, so there's the second thing you might have messed up. You got to put them in order. And then the third thing is a little clarification. Sometimes people get confused whether you're supposed to use repeat numbers or not. And yeah, you are. Every 4 that shows up, we should treat as an individual value in our data set. We have to use the repeats as individuals. So we'll do that too. Now, the first thing we're going to have to do to get the median then is put these in order. Let's do that. We've got 4 and 4 and 4. That showed up 3 times. We're going to write it 3 times. So those are gone, and I'm going to cross them off so I don't forget to add other items to the list or leave any out later on. Okay, and then we've got 5, and then 7, and then 8. Okay, so those are the next 3 on our list. 5, 7, and 8. And then we've got 9 and 11 and 13. So there's our last 3 numbers, 9, 11, and 13. Okay, now they're in order. Now we can find the middle, which would represent the middle of all the values. We're going to do that by crossing off pairs from both ends, the lowest and the highest, until we find our way to the middle. So the 4 on the low end and the 13 on the high end, there's a pair. Then there's a 4 and an 11, there's a pair. We've got the 4 and the 9, there's a pair. We've got the 5 and the 8, there's a pair. And look at that, our middle number in our ordered list is 7, which means our median of our data set is 7, which means our answer is B. And if you got it, good thinking.